What can I tell you about Clock and Watch Fitness in 60 seconds? Well, for starters, we're a third-generation family-run watchmaking business, servicing and repairing clocks and watches since 1945. That's a lot of hours spent perfecting our craft. We deliver the highest level of service while maintaining a speedy turnaround time and keeping costs low. Using state-of-the-art equipment, we can repair, service, or adjust almost any watch brand. So whether you need something as simple as a new battery or band adjustment, or more extensive services like repairing your latest Rolex, or restoring that grandfather clock or pocket watch you inherited, we've got you covered. Passion, perfection, reliability, and integrity. That's what you can expect. Call us at the number below or stop in and talk to us directly. Perfect. 60 seconds. Now you know why Clock and Watch Fitness is Tampa, Florida's premier watch company.